Hi there, I go by the name Anthony Aniye Indo, a student of University of Cape Coast, and in today's video I am going to teach you or show you how to prepare educational profile for yourself. Educational profile. So without wasting your time, let me start with the first one. The first one is your personal details or your personal information. With that one, your name is the first thing you're supposed to write or put it down. The second one goes by your nationality. Yeah, your nationality is supposed to be there, and your institution, either college or university, you need to state over there. Then followed by your level of study. I mean, your level 200 or level 300 is supposed to be there. Then your program of study, which is either engineering, business program, or any program that you're reading at all, is supposed to be there on your uh, sorry, your educational profile. That's the first thing you're supposed to do when you are preparing your educational profile. With the second step, that's your academic objectives. Your academic objectives, very, very important. You see, when companies are being set up, they have objectives that the same applies to you as a student that you are reading the particular program. You need to have objective for yourself. So with your objective, you need to state a good objectives for yourself so that whenever you put that educational profile outside there or into organization, they can accept you or know what you are capable of doing and what you can do best. That's the reason why the academia objective is very important on your educational profile. So with that one, you need to state some of your professional works that you want to do or you want to become in the nearest future. You need to state that one in your academic objectives. Very, very, very important. And at the same time, your program of study, you need to include it over there and say something small about it. How you are going to develop or structure these things in the next year or sorry, in the next future if you get the opportunity to pursue that professional work that you are going to want to do. Okay, the third thing on my list or the third thing you are supposed to do is your educational background. With your educational background comes with your program of study, either a master's or bachelor's degree. It's very important. Under that one, then you move on to your institution's name, either University of Cape Coast or UG, or if you're in SHS tour, you can state the name of your school over there. Fine. And the important thing on this particular step is you need to state whether you were a graduate or you were still in school. Whether you were a graduate or you were still in school is very important. You need to state it over there. So what I just said right now is for those who are in university. So let me come down to those who are in SHS or colleges. For you people, under this stage, you will state, or if you have a WASSCE results, you need to state it there. Or if you don't have a WASSCE, just write or West African Senior High School Certificate. Just or WASSCE is okay for you. Then you move on to the name of your school. The name of your school. Either I attend secondary college. So for instance, for let's take myself as example. So secondary college. That's all. Then you state the year of completion or the year you completed the school. It's very, very important on this stage. Okay, the fourth thing you have here is your academic interest. Your academic interest. So your program that you are reading, you need to have interest in the program and know some of the career opportunities what's inside. You need to state it in the document. It's very, very, very important. So me, for instance, become management student. My interest in the that become management, let's say international business or MSc in management. That's my interest in it. So you need to state yours in your educational profile. Very, very, very important. Yeah. So this is the fourth stage when preparing educational background. Yeah. Under the fourth stage, let me add this one to it. Okay. You have something called the postgraduate academic interest. Let's say after your bachelor's degree, you want to do your master's. So the master's program that you want to read is supposed to be there. Either one or two. It's okay. It's allowed supposed to be there under the interest of academics is supposed to be there. Very, very, very important. So the fifth one here, you have your skills. That's your skills. What are you capable of doing? Or what are you capable of for? Very, very important when preparing your educational profile. Very, very important. So for instance, your um your skills could be say sorry, it could be networking, how to like talk to people, communication, it varies. It varies. So you need to know which one you are perfect at. Then you will include it when preparing your educational profile. Very, very, very important. Also, let's say you are good in how to enter data or how to use Excel, PowerPoint, MS Word. They are all part of your skills. You need to know. And under the skills, you have two types of skills. You have the technical skills and you have the soft skills. Where the technical skills goes with your Excel, how to use Excel, how to enter data, and how to use the MS Word and PowerPoint. That's the technical one. And with the soft one, how to talk, that's the communication, team working, networking, collaborations. Yes, this how it is. So you need to know all these things. So with the last one that I'm having here, or the last but not the least here, is your inspirations, your career inspirations. Very, very, very important. You need to state them. What inspires you to read that particular program or to do that particular master's program? Very, very important. Yeah, I will not say mine here. And the last here, but not the least, is referencing. Yeah, referencing. You need to reference your work. You need to reference your, let's say, those in the tertiary level, after you are done compiling all these details, you need to give it to a particular teacher or lecturer to go through for you, to adjust certain things for you. So when the lecturer is done doing this, the lecturer have to refer compiling all these details. You need to give it to a particular teacher or lecturer to go through for you, to adjust certain things for you. So when the lecturer is done doing this, the lecturer have to reference itself in the document, so that whenever you send it outside or into organizations, they can also, this particular lecturer from this school was the person who viewed your document, and it is well, it is good to present it or for educational purpose. Thank you. So please, if you are new here,